Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and off safe search on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to screen time, then tap on content and privacy restrictions and make sure that's turned on the very top on the switch button. Make sure that it is enabled. Then go to Store, Web, Siri, and Game Center content section right here. Tap on that and really scroll down a little, you will see web content. Simply tap on that also. And here you could pick from these three options: unrestricted, limit adult websites, and only approved websites. So let's say I want this, and here this will pop up, only allow these approved websites. So you could pick some. Then here, that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.